guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Windows Start button not working. For today's video, we'll guide you through various methods to resolve this frustrating issue. Whether it's a frozen start button or an unresponsive search, we've got you covered. The easy-to-follow solutions will help you get your Windows 10 Start menu back up and running in no time. So sit back, relax, and watch this troubleshooting video. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, restart computer. Restarting the computer can help fix the Windows Start button not working issue because it often resolves problems related to Windows Explorer, which is responsible for the Start menu and taskbar functionality. In fact, rebooting is often suggested as a first recourse to even many hardware problems, such as unresponsive keyboard buttons. One of the causes for this is that a restart clears away your RAM, which can otherwise face memory leaks over long-term use. This can cause hiccups in your workflow, like problems with the Start button in your case here. After restarting, check if Windows Start button will now function. If not, consider the next solution. Now, the next solution is to update Windows. Updating addresses various issues that may be affecting the Start button's functionality, introducing new features and fixing bugs that may be the cause for the Start button not working. Now, since we are not able to press the Start button since it is not working, to be able to go to the Settings section, let us use this step instead. To do this, type Settings at the search bar located at the lower left, then select the Settings result. Now select Update and Security. Now if you are on the Windows Update window, click on the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If an update is available, click on Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Once the computer reboots, check if the Windows Start button will now function. If not, consider the next solution. The next solution to fix this problem is restart Windows Explorer. Restarting Windows Explorer is another way to start button not working issue with your Windows File Explorer that a corrupt context can cause. Restarting Windows Explorer forces the Start menu to restart, potentially fixing any glitches or temporary issues that may have caused the Start button to malfunction. To do this, head over to Task Manager by pressing on Ctrl+Alt+Delete keys. Now at Processes tab, scroll down and locate Windows Explorer under Apps. Click on the Windows Explorer process and then select the Restart tab. Check to see if the issue is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. System File Checker Scan is a tool in Windows that scans your computer for corrupt system files that may be the culprit for the Start button not working or becoming unresponsive. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left, then click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for the SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, check if the Windows Start button will now function. The last solution is to perform a restore system. If none of the suggested solutions work, it could indicate that a core Windows function is causing the Start menu to malfunction. In such a case, you may need to restore or perform a factory reset on Windows to resolve the issue and get the Start menu working again. To do this, type Restore Point at the search bar and click Create a Restore Point result. Now click the System Protection tab. Now click Create tab. Then type a description of the restore point you want to create and then click on Create tab. For instance, I'll type here May 10th. Then click System Restore, then click Next on the recommended restore. Click Finish to start the restore point. The process may take some time, wait for it to complete, and refrain from attempting to interrupt the process. Now, check if Windows Start button will function. If not, perform a factory reset on your computer. Remember, if you plan to do a full reset of your PC to fix the issue, make a backup of your computer so you can put everything back once you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.